Good morning and welcome. It's Gilly Kube. Today I am going to do something quite minimalistic and simplistic to do, but it's very elegant, and I just absolutely love how this turned out, and I hope you will too. So just follow along with the obviously this is just a base coat on my it's a 50 by 55 canvas, and this is a base coat, and you can obviously do any colour base coat you choose. If you are a beginner or you're not sure how to mix the paints for fluid art, underneath this video in the description there's links to paint mixing, paint varnishing your work, or resin. The links are all underneath, along with a link to my Amazon store for all the bits and bobs you might need. So obviously I'm making sure I give a nice good coat to this, because this will actually be a little bit of negative space background, so making sure that that white covers real nicely. So on with my very simplistic colours, and they are going to be black, burnt umber, and I think I use champagne gold, or I may also use the Montmartre metallic pouring gold, which is just because I had some left, but it is really sheeny, shiny, and leaves a beautiful effect on your canvas.
I'm on my way, yes, I'm on my way, I'm on my way,
Yes, so just with my little mini dryer that I got from a charity store. Haven't seen one exactly the same since, but this works really well. So bear with me while I'm blowing this out. It obviously doesn't look anything special right here, but I definitely work it, and I think you'll enjoy the result. So just bear with me when it doesn't look so good, because it certainly looks good as a finished dry product, which I show at the end.
Let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way, yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please, you know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown.
it is becoming to come together, but of course I've got to put my little bit on it, and I also do some further embellishments when it's actually dry, but I do show you those today. So look at that, that's absolutely gorgeous. And yes, you can press that on another canvas or the canvas, your balloon kisses, or you could press it on cardstock. There's so many other things you could be doing with that paint that comes off the balloon in your balloon kiss. But I don't want to put too much. Remember, I wanted to keep some negative space on my canvas, which always is very hard for me because I could just love the whole process. So sometimes for me it isn't about the finished product that I may have gone overboard with. It's just about the process I enjoy so much.
Yes, I'm on my way.
Just a little bit of the gold paint in a cup with a little skewer to do some little embellishments on it. I will lift it and show you. You can do this also with a gold pen, which is obviously a lot easier, but because I love to doodle around, it's quite therapeutic and fun to do. Just a nice little, you don't obviously have to do this with any of your pieces, but it's yeah, it just adds a bit of shoosh. And you can just do as much or as little as you like. Just adding a little bit more gold sparkle in here. I wouldn't thought hurt anything, but it looks so nice with that, the colours that I've used, so I'm happy with it. And that's, remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. Yeah, you can go over it, or oh, there's a hair in there and it's in the paint. Never mind, it's mixed media. It's all dry before I started doing those little embellishments in the gold paint, so it was all dry, and it's dried beautifully. So I will play a little bit more with it and you'll see it in the end photos. So I hope you enjoyed that one. I love it, love it, love it.